In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of reports in QuickBooks. Now, it's important to note right from the start that QuickBooks does not have a built-in option to directly increase the font size of reports. However, there's a straightforward workaround you can use to make the text larger on your screen or when presenting these reports. First, navigate to the report you want to adjust. This might be a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or any other type of summary you're working with in QuickBooks. Once you've opened the report on your screen, you're ready to proceed. Here's where the workaround comes in. To increase the font size, you'll adjust the zoom level of the page itself. This is a simple trick that uses your computer's capabilities rather than QuickBooks. All you need to do is hold down the Control key on your keyboard, or Command if you're on a Mac. While holding this key, use your mouse to scroll up. This action increases the zoom level on your page. As you scroll up, you'll notice that the text and other elements on your report appear larger. This method effectively makes the font size bigger by enlarging everything on the page, allowing you to see your data more clearly. It's especially useful for presentations or situations where you need better readability on screen. You'll find that this method improves the visibility of not just the text, but all elements on the page, making them easier to understand. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your QuickBooks reports easier to read by adjusting the zoom level. Remember, this change is only visual on your screen and does not affect how the report is printed or shared in its original format. If you need printed documents in a larger size, you'll need to use other methods, such as exporting the report to another program or adjusting printer settings. Thanks for watching this video.